Today we're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna check out the Sarasota Classic Car Museum, obviously here in Sarasota. Don't know anything about it.
I assume there will be cars.
Be some classic cars. Let's go check it out. Right away, we're greeted with a Flintstone car. That is 100% a classic. And it's open from 9 to 6 every day. Look, we've got a Vespa, a boat, and look at this tiny little car. A Ford? What? They've got some shirts, some collectibles, some more cars. Trump. Is that another Vespa? That one was a Vespa. Is that a Vespa? Oh yeah, there it says it right there. We'll see what this is like. Look at all of these old cameras. Wow. Here's a replica 1908 Ford Model T. Bunch of model cars. Automobile show. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Piano. 1910. We invite you to play the piano and share your musical talent. That's pretty neat. You are welcome to play, but please be gentle. The key's messed up there on this one. Oh, there, fixed it. Oh, down here. We're gonna just... Keys are a little sticky, but it's a 1910 piano. Here's a 1905 Schacht. And then, what do we got here? We got a old looking, what is that? A Carter car? Whoa. Whoa. This is unreal. So we've got Abraham Lincoln's funeral hearse. Now the original one was destroyed in a fire. So this is a reproduction, but it looks exactly like it would have. That's insane. Next to it is a 1912 Ford Model T. Next to that is a 1908 PMC, which stands for Pete's Manufacturing Co. Then we have a 1905 Rapid Depot Hack. Horseless carriage. And then right next to it, well, we've got this flying squirrel in the back. But right next to it, we have Mabel Ringling's vehicle. And then next to that, we've got John Ringling's 1922 Rolls-Royce Silver Ghost. They were, look, more of theirs. What's the cost of that? $12,900. Yeah, because that first one was a Rolls-Royce as well. Talks more about that. And right here we have, this is owned by Brian Johnson, lead singer for the group AC/DC. That's really cool. Look at this old Jeep. Look at the Jeep sign. 1944. And then next to it is this 1937 Gogyon Streamliner. Look at that. Vehicles everywhere. Just kind of do a walk through here until we see one that might be somebody famous their car. However, one thing I like is the car right next to us over here. Look at this one. This is the car I was talking about. 1968 Ford Mustang Shelby. It was purchased by its current owner in 1970 and will continue to be in the family. A family heirloom, if you will. I wish it told the price of that, because that is a nice vehicle there. I also really enjoy the 1966 Mustang Coupe in the back. 2-owner car out of California. And then I do like this Shelby Cobra. Tells the story of it right there. That one's nice as well. This must be their Mustang section, because we continue with the different Mustangs. Any car that has a fire extinguisher right there in the middle might go too quick. And then over here we have the 1967 Mustang Coupe. And what does this say? They just threw in a 1985 Audi Quattro. So we have this room we're gonna go through, and then we still circle around all this. And we didn't get this side yet, so let's get this side up to here. This place is big.
A lot more than I thought it would be.
Look at this little Ferrari go-kart. That is neat. Wow. Of course you have very nice, doesn't say anything about these, but a very nice Corvette, a Ferrari, 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 Ford Fairline. I feel like you might like that.
It's pretty nifty. It's like a taxi.
It does. Well, we're gonna hold off on going around this way because we're gonna go through these doors. So here is a engine, and then they just have all these cars parked out here. That is a cool piano. Now, please do not touch the cars, but you can really get looking inside of them up close. There's the one you like. You said there's, oh, an airplane up there. Good grief. And over here we have a Chevy. Look at these seats in the back. 1, 2, how many people can fit in there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-ish. Do you love that? That's a nice one.
Not the ideal color.
What about this one over here?
Man.
That's insane.
Whoa.
There is a nice Mustang back here. Like, that is like the dream car. We're gonna squeeze through here just to take a peek inside. And then I'm over here. Look at this little guy. Yeah. Look at this. It is. I mean, you're even like way taller than it as well. But
Okay, I fit in the clown car at the ring.
you did. You did. That's like a scoop. That's a scuba vehicle. Yeah, that thing's really neat. It is so teeny tiny. I feel like we could pick it up. Now if we head back out to the main area, we can finish going around the loop. This has a lot more cars than what I expected. You can see though, more Ferraris, Ferrari. Here we have a Cobra Jet Mustang, number 27, only 50 built. Wow. That is insane.
So, side note, I appreciate that they're seating. So if you want to take time looking through, there's a place to sit.
That's true. They thought through that.
Mm-hmm.
Here we have Ford. Dodge Challenger, Dodge Viper. I always liked those cars as a kid. There's Buick behind. BMW. There you are testing out the seating. Porsche. 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 This is their Porsche row. Dodge. Some more Porsche. 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 Wow, look at this Porsche. That's 1957 Porsche Speedster. That is flippin' cool. I don't know how to pronounce some of these. BMW, look at that little tiny BMW. What in the... It's really cool that they have all of the inventor of the brands of cars, their poster hanging on the wall, and a little story about them. Then to finish off the loop, we've got these. Look at this one. That looks like a spaceship. Something interesting about this, the only one ever produced. We've got Volkswagen Beetle. We've got this cool green car, another Porsche, another Porsche, another Porsche, and another Porsche. And then that brings us back to the piano we played on earlier. What's that? Cranks in rear to eliminate hazard of being run over when starting. Somebody thought that through. All right, that was our trip out to the Classic Car Museum here in Sarasota. Had a lot more cars than I originally thought would be in there. Had a lot of unique ones. Yeah, the cute ones you liked and the Mustangs I liked. So it was a really cool place. Relatively inexpensive just to come out and spend some time, getting some exercise and getting out of the house. So that does it for today. Thanks for watching.